Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we will consider Bholi, chapter 9, supplementary reader. The story revolves around a girl who, due to accidental fall and disease in her childhood, faces the problem of being dull and ugly. She was born fair and pretty, but her destiny played a foul game with her. She is always a target by everyone for not being good looking and intelligent. Her life turns when she joins a nearby school where her teacher encourages her and helps her to become a learned and confident person. Later in the story, circumstances arise where Bholi has to give acceptance to the marriage with an unequal match but rejects it when she sees her father pleading to the bridegroom when he demands dowry. The story shows the rise of a girl against social injustice. Bholi is a story written by K.A. Abbas, the Indian film director, screenwriter, novelist, and a journalist in Urdu, Hindi, and English languages. The story opens with the introduction of a little girl named Sulekha. She was called Bholi for being a simpleton. This was so because some part of her brain had got damaged. It happened when she was 10 months old. She fell from a cot. As a result of that, a part of her brain was damaged and she became a slow learner, a retarded child. When she was 2 years old, her whole body and face were disfigured due to an attack of smallpox. She stammered and people laughed at her. She was a laughing stock for everyone. Her father, Ramlal, was a Nambadar. He had 3 sons and 4 daughters, Bholi being the youngest of all. Ramlal was always worried about her, as it seemed impossible to marry her with her having an ugly face and a dumb mind. One day, the Tahsildar visited their village to inaugurate a girls' primary school. He persuaded Ramlal to send his daughters to school. Ramlal's wife suggested to send Bholi to school, although she was against sending girls to school because she knew that no boy would marry such a girl. She reasoned that as Bholi had no chance of getting married, so she could go to school. The next day, Ramlal caught Bholi by the hand and told her that she was going to school. Bholi was frightened. She did not know what a school was like. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow, Lakshmi, had been turned out of the house and sold. She thought that she too would be sold like Lakshmi, and so pulled her hand away from her father's hand. Her father told his wife to dress her up because he did not want others to think ill of them. She was dressed up and her hair was washed and oiled. New clothes had never been made for Bholi. The old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. No one cared to mend or wash her clothes. But today, she was lucky to receive a clean dress. It was for the first time that Bholi got a clean cloth to wear. She was even bathed and oil was rubbed into her dry hair. Only then did she begin to believe that she was going to a place better than her house. In the school, Bholi met a teacher who was very kind and polite to her. She encouraged her to study and speak with confidence. This filled hope in Bholi, and she began to go to school every day. Years passed, and her village upgraded into a small town with some facilities like a cotton mill, cinema, and the primary school being converted into a secondary school. And one day, Bholi's parents decided to marry her to a lame old man who was a widower but was rich and had not demanded any dowry. They thought it to be the best marriage proposal for their stammering daughter and fixed up her marriage. On the wedding day, the bridegroom arrived with a great pomp and show which filled Ramlal with happiness. The groom discovered that Bholi had pock marks and demanded dowry in return for marrying her. He demanded a sum of 5,000 rupees. Ramlal begged for mercy and even placed his turban in Bishamber's feet, but he insisted the dowry. Ramlal had to give the money in order to save both his family's honor and his daughter's marriage. Bholi could not bear all this and refused to marry a greedy old man. People accused her of being shameless. The wedding party returned. The marriage ceremony ended without Bholi getting married. Her father was filled with grief and said that now no one would marry her and what would she do in future? She replied that she would take care of her parents when they grew old and would teach in her school. Her teacher, who was quietly watching all this, felt proud of her decision. The major theme of the story is the impact of family on children. Bholi is a little girl who fails to develop self-confidence because of her parents' attitude towards her. The story hints at why family support and emotional security are essential for proper child development. The story also highlights the role of a teacher and the importance of education. A teacher can guide, encourage, and instill good qualities of character in her or his students. Even a weak or handicapped person, if given proper guidance, encouragement, education, and support, can live a respectable life and enjoy economic independence. That's all for today. Thank you.